Bonjour à tous! Today let's have a look at another French irregular verb, vouloir, which means to want. Vouloir. So let's have a look at our subject pronouns, which are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. So this verb means to want. So it's basically to say I want, you want, he wants, she wants, we want in the spoken French, we want in the formal way, you want, and they want. So how are we going to conjugate this verb? It's going to be je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, on veut. The pronunciation remains the same. It's je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, and on veut. Nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, and elles veulent. Nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, and elles veulent. Très bien. Now let's see few of the examples. So if I want to say I want a new car, it's going to be je veux une nouvelle voiture. You want a pen. Tu veux un stylo. He wants a glass of milk. Il veut un verre de lait. She wants a big house. Elle veut une grande maison. We want a big party. On veut une grande fête. We want a book. Nous voulons un livre. They want a cup of coffee. Ils veulent une tasse de café. And they want some fries will be ils veulent des frites. Très bien. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you understood how to conjugate this verb into different forms. If yes, then please don't forget to make few sentences using these verbs and drop it in the comment box below. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!